Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Glazed china with a network of fine cracks on the surface. Crackle china, crackleware. The sharp sound of snapping noises. Crackling, crepitation. Make a crackling sound. My Rice Krispies crackled in the bowl. Crepitate. Make a crushing noise. Crunch, scrunch, scrunch. To become, or to cause to become, covered with a network of small cracks. The blazing sun crackled the desert sand. Having the surface decorated with a network of fine cracks, as in crackleware. A crackle glaze.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.